Hey guys, we are outside of CVS to do our Sunday CVS haul. I'm so excited because this week there's a ton of great deals going on at CVS. Probably like 15 or 20 deals that I wanted to do, but it's a lot to do in one day, so I am gonna do 2 transactions today. I will be doing a second CVS haul this week. I will do that on probably Tuesday because Monday I do my Walgreens haul. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. I will be doing another subscriber giveaway when I hit 5,000 subscribers. So I'm gonna do as many deals as I can today. I do have a lot of digital coupons as well as the printable coupons. I did post a video this morning of all the new printable coupons available. My region doesn't get the L'Oreal hair care coupons that was coming in today's inserts, unfortunately, but there is a digital version and a printable version. So I lucked out there. I was still able to do that deal in my transaction list. So fingers crossed everything goes well in store. Let's head inside and take advantage of all these deals. What we're gonna pick up is the Maybelline. So this is one of those deals that you can use with that instant coupon that printed at the red box. So what I'm gonna do is pick up 2 of these single eyeshadows here. They are only $4.19 each at my store. So I'm gonna pick up one of these and I'll do a pink. There, okay. So this instant coupon reads off select L'Oreal, Maybelline, and Garnier. So the L'Oreal that was posted on the ad is the L'Oreal facial care. The Maybelline is obviously any Maybelline cosmetic. And the Garnier is the Garnier facial care that it works with. So what we're gonna do is pick up 2 of these. They are $4.19 each. Total is going to be $8.38. We're gonna use this $3 off instant coupon that printed at the red box. Then we're going to use this printable coupon, $1 off one Maybelline New York eyeshadow, and this digital coupon for $1 off one as well. So final cost, we are going to pay $3.38 out of pocket, but we're gonna get back this $5 extra buck because Maybelline is on sale this week. Buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. So final cost is free and a $1.62 moneymaker. So because we didn't use anything from the inserts, anyone can come and do this deal. Another deal is gonna be on L'Oreal Elvive. So this counts towards CVS Beauty as well. They're on sale this week, 2 for $8. And when you buy 2, you're gonna get that $2 instant coupon at the red box. So this is what that coupon looks like. So when you get to your local CVS, make sure you go to the red box. Hopefully yours is working. You can print off this 2 off of 2 coupon. Then we're gonna pick up 2 of these. They don't have that, so let's do this shampoo, or let's not. Okay, hold on. I like to get 1 of each, so let's do this. Shampoo, conditioner. In the inserts today, there's a 4 off of 2 coupon. My region did not get it, unfortunately, but we have this digital coupon for $3 off 2. So make sure you clip that, send it to your card. Then you're also going to use this with the deal, $2 off 2. That'll take off $5. We'll pay just $3 for both, or $1.50 each. So really good deal for some shampoo and conditioner this week. So for an oral care deal you guys can do is the Colgate. So it is on sale, $3.99. Buy 1, get a $2 extra back. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of these. I'm gonna try the Enamel Health, and then I will get this one as well. So they are, again, $3.99 each. It is a limit of 2, if you can see that right there. So we're gonna pick up 2 of them. When you go to Colgate.com, you can print out 75 cents off 1 coupon, and it does allow you to print 2. So you're gonna use 2 of those. Then I have a 2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT as well that we are going to be using. So let's do over the final numbers for this one. Okay, so we are going to combine that with another deal that we have going on with the Colgate. So let's go over there and grab the Colgate Optic White. So these are on sale for $3.49, limit of 2 as well. And when you buy 1, you get a $2 extra back. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of these here. Again, on Colgate.com, you can print out this $1 coupon. So it says Colgate Advanced White. It did work on this Optic White last time, so I'll let you know if I have any issues at checkout. So total for all of the items is going to be $14.96 because we got 2 of the Colgate Optic White and 2 of the Colgate mouthwash. After all of the coupons, we're going to pay $8.46, get back $4 in extra bucks from this, so $2 each, and $4 in extra bucks from the Colgate mouthwash. So final cost is going to be 46 cents for all 4, or 12 cents each, which is an amazing deal. If you have a 3 off 12 oral care deal, that would make it a small moneymaker. I'm going to use that CRT with the Crest deal, which we can actually get right into. So Crest is on sale for $3.99. Buy 3, get a $5 extra back. So I'm going to pick up 3 of these, 2 of these. You can use this $2 off 1 digital coupon. If you have the $2 coupons from the March P&G, use 2 of those as well. We also have this 50-cent send to card coupon that came today. I also have this $2 off of 4 toothpaste CRT. I don't have those 2 coupons from the March P&G, unfortunately. So I'm going to be using that 3 off of 12 oral care CRT. So let me go over the final numbers. Okay, so total is going to be $11.97. Use that $2 digital, the 50-cent Crest app only coupon, $2 off of 4 toothpaste CRT, 3 off of 12 oral care CRT. I'm going to pay $4.97, get back a $5 extra buck, so it makes it free. And is this a 50-cent moneymaker? I'll have to check my math again, but it's probably going to be at least a freebie for 3 toothpaste, which is awesome. Okay, this is going to be everything I'm going to grab in my first transaction. Some of the items, like the Crest I just showed you, I can't do today because the manager just came over, let me know they're having issues with their system. So any coupons or any CRTs that you've sent to your card and don't have a physical coupon, the system is not pulling it up. So a lot of the deals that I want to do to show you guys today on my receipt, I'm not going to be able to do. So I'll have to do a second haul, of course, to finish the rest of the deals that I'm not able to do today. But all of these should at least work. I'll let you guys know at checkout if there are any additional snags. Is on these Reese's peanut butter eggs. I love these. They're on sale, buy 1, get 1 free. They're $4.39 at my store. If you still have this 2 off of 2 instant coupon that printed last week, final cost is going to be just $2.39 for both. So I'm definitely going to grab some candy for my stockpile. An additional deal I just came across, I was wondering if they were going to have some Suave deals. So Suave is on sale 2 for $6. You can get these huge Suave men's. They're 28 fluid ounce, which I think is a way better deal. Or you can get these. They're also on sale 2 for $6. I have this $2 off 2 Suave hair care that printed for me last week. That'll bring it down to just $4. Then in today's inserts, the 3-1 Retail Me Not, we got these 3 off of 1 coupon, or I'm sorry, $1 off of 1 coupon. So final cost is going to be just $1 each, which is a really great deal. And it counts towards CVS Beauty. So the $6 is going to track towards beauty. So I'm going to grab 2 of the men's because I just think that it's a better value, and add these to my cart. Okay, so my math is going to be really off on this deal. It will be correct in the printable breakdown because they're having issues with their system. The CRTs I sent to my cart I can't use, so now I'm trying to kind of change up CRTs last minute. Another deal we're going to do is spend $15, get a $5 extra buck, and it's on the Head and Shoulders. So I'm going to grab 2 of these, and I'll grab 1 of these actually as well. So they're 2 for $12. Spend $15, and then you're going to get the $5 extra buck. So the other piece that is included, if I can find it, is Herbal Essence. This is included as well at 2 for $12. So I'm gonna grab 2 of these, shampoo and conditioner. Okay, so the coupons we're gonna use is this 3 off of 2 coupon from the March P&G insert for the Head and Shoulders. Then we're gonna use this 5 off of 2 coupon from the March P&G as well for the Herbal Essence. We're gonna use this 2.25 off 10 any hair care products, which will go with these 2 because these are $12, so that will work there. And this 3 off of 10 Herbal Essences BioRenew, which will work with those because again, that's $12. So the reason why I can use 2 spend amount CRTs is because the total for all these products is $24 and the total for the spend amount is $10 and $10 is $20. So total for this is $24. When you subtract all of the CRTs and coupons we have, it is going to bring it down to $10.75. Now we are going to get back that $5 extra buck for doing the spend 15 deal. So final cost will be $5.75 for all 4 items, or just $1.43 each. And all of these are going to track towards CVS Beauty. And because we picked up the L'Oreal, the Maybelline, we will be hitting beauty at least once. I will go over all of those details in the car when we wrap up everything. Another hair care deal that I am so excited about, I'm doing this in my second transaction, is the Love Beauty and Planet products. So typically they're $9.29 each. On sale, spend $20, get a $10 extra buck. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of these here. And in today's, today's 3-1 Retail Me Not insert, we got a buy one, get one free coupon. Max value is $9.49. And these here are only $9.29, so it will take off the full amount. So to hit the $20 mark, we are gonna pick up 4 of these. We're gonna use 2 of these coupons here. It says maximum of 2 identical coupons per shopping trip. And then I'll go over what I would have done with the CRTs I have on my card. I would have used another 2.25 off of 10 hair care CRT and a 3 off of 15 hair care CRT. And so the total for all 4 of these is going to be $37.16. Now, both of those spend amounts is 3 off of 15 and then 2.25 off 10. So total for that is $25. And we're picking up $37 worth. So both of those will work no problem. Plus both of those buy one, get one free coupons, we're gonna pay $13.08 out of pocket. We're gonna get back a $10 extra buck, shown right here for the sale. But because we're spending another $30 in CVS Beauty, we'll get back an additional $3 beauty buck, which will hit our account in about 48 hours. Then when you submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, as you see here, it is a bonus item. You'll get an additional 750 points, which is the equivalent of 75 cents. So if you're not signed up for Fetch Rewards yet, you can use my referral code here, J24VT. You'll get an additional 2,750 points. So without the sign up bonus, your final cost is going to be free and a 67-cent moneymaker. Okay, the last deal we're gonna do in my second transaction is on the Paparazzi nail polish. The deal is back again, buy 2, get a $4 extra buck, and they're always on sale, 2 for $5. So I'm gonna pick up 2 of these. I'm gonna pick up this cute one here and the purple. Is that purple? I don't know, maybe not. Let's grab another one. No, yeah, we'll get this one. It's like a mauve. It's cute. Okay, so these are gonna be $5. And I have this $1 off Paparazzi nail polish. So I'm gonna pay $4 out of pocket. Then I'm gonna get a $4 extra buck. Final cost is gonna be absolutely free. So let's go check out, see what we can do with the glitches they're having, and I will let you guys know shortly how it goes. I'm doing 2 transactions so I can split it up and roll my extra bucks I get back from the first one into my second one to try to keep my out of pocket as low as possible. I will be using Fetch Rewards as well to pay any remainder out of pocket, so my out of pocket cost today will be 0. Okay, so if you are going to CVS today, make sure you're super patient. They were having a ton of issues with their registers, their system. It wasn't looking up the extra care cards when they would type in the phone numbers. You can pull it up on your phone. At the bottom when you open up the app, just hit show card and they can scan that. Maybe that will work. That's what I had to do for my second transaction. Some of the deals I wanted to do, like the Crest deal, I didn't even try to get that one because a lot of my coupons were the CRTs that were sent to my card, and that's what they said they were having most of their issues with. So it took me 30 minutes to check out today, but I did check out with the manager. That always helps me out. So I'll show you guys my receipts. The first receipt looks really crazy because she had to then like price modify the items in the amount that the coupons would have taken off. So, I mean, the amounts look super crazy. So first transaction, I wound up adding the Suave. I wasn't even planning on doing that deal. Those coupons from today's insert do not work on the Suave men's. You have to do just the Suave professionals. And of course, this is gonna be weird again. Oh my gosh. Here, nope, there we go. Well, now you can't really see it because it's too far away. It is just not my day today. Anyway, Colgate, let's see if we can tilt it down. Does that help? A little bit. The Elvive, the Optic White. I also did the Maybelline in this deal as well. So as you can see, some of them, she made them like $0 or something. I don't know. Oh, see down here, Maybelline free. She had to make them $0 to account for all the coupons that weren't working. So these are the coupons. Some of them were working, some of them weren't. I do have a printable breakdown listed in the description box for you guys of everything, all the math, how it should work out. I did use Fetch Rewards to pay the remainder out of pocket. So if you see here, this was my subtotal 20 cents plus taxes, and I used a gift card to pay all of it. So I didn't pay anything out of pocket again. That's why I love Fetch Rewards so much. And I did submit my receipt to Fetch Rewards and got those bonus points for the Love, Beauty, and Planet. So this is that one right there. I got the 2 Reese's, which I was really excited about because I love Reese's. The Paparazzi nail polish, Love, Beauty, and Planet, all right here. So these are the coupons and CRTs that I used. Some came off that were on the card, some didn't. It was just kind of like rolling the dice. So just kind of, my hair is crazy today. I didn't have a chance to put in any, usually when I have my hair curly, I put in a bunch of like gel and hairspray and things like that to kind of keep it tame. Otherwise it gets all like frizzy and crazy. But that is just the kind of day I've been having, just a crazy, frizzy day. So we're just gonna roll with it and we're just gonna love it. So on this one, final cost was $11.45, and I did use 2 different gift cards. One of my gift cards only had like, $9 left or something. So then I just quickly got another gift card on Fetch Rewards and didn't pay again anything out of pocket. So we will be getting back some additional beauty bucks as well. I did notice on my account, all the extra bucks that I got from last week is glitching again and it's on the account. So I sent them all to my card just in case the paper versions weren't working. If it doesn't scan or it says it's a duplicate, it's because it's one on your card. So checkout was just a little crazy today, but just make sure that you're obviously as patient as possible. It's not their fault that their system isn't working and just having some issues. So other than that, I'm still very excited that I got the Love, Beauty, and Planet because I haven't tried this product yet, and that's why I love couponing, because now I can try it for absolutely free, and I have 4 bottles, so hopefully I like it. Drop a comment below. Let me know if you guys like the Love, Beauty, and Planet line. If you have any other questions or anything, drop a comment. I'll try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.